Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making delicious vegetable soup without red oil. So there's this thing that I saw in the market. I don't know what it is, but it looks like snail. It's not periwinkle. It looks like periwinkle, but periwinkle is very tiny, very small. So when I got home, I boiled it for 15 minutes or less than 15 minutes because I wouldn't want the meat to stuck into the shell. So after boiling it, so I allow it to get cold for just 2 minutes. So after that, I have to put all the meats from the shell. And as you can see, the thing is very easy to put out. So after that, it was many. Look at it. So the next thing you would want to do is to boil all your beef or your proteins. You can add any ingredients of your choice. Me, I added only salt and then vegetable seasoning. This is my best seasoning for, making any meal. So after that, I have to allow this beef to cook for 15 minutes or until they are all soft enough. I'll go ahead and blend the bell pepper. These are all red bell peppers. So after blending it, you set aside. So now I added scotch bonnet pepper and onion, and I allow it to cook for more minutes. So after that, I went in with this snail, or we call it periwinkle, but I don't know the name of this. If you know the name, please leave it in the comment section below. Because this is not periwinkle. Periwinkle is very, very tiny. So after that, I now have to cook it for 10 minutes. So this is another pan. I added olive oil. Remember, we are not making this soup with any red oil. So I go in with sliced onion, and these are the bell pepper that I blended. I chunked them. I did not blend them smoothly, so I chunked the bell peppers. So after that, I have to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Here I added salt and vegetable seasoning. So I allowed it to cook for more 3 minutes. So feel free to put any ingredients of your choice. This is my normal meal ingredients. So here I added mushroom, and I allow this mushroom to cook for just 4 minutes or less than that. I wouldn't want it to overcook. So after that, I'll now put scotch bonnet pepper and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. Then I'll transfer everything inside my beef pots, and I will stir it properly until they are well combined. I'll cover it to cook for just more minutes. So after that, I have to chunk all my vegetables, a lot of vegetable, because this is called vegetable soup. You go in with hot water. You can add salt, and you have to stir it properly. The next thing is for you to sieve the hot water. Then you add cold water, and you allow it to get cold for just a minute. Then here I am adding all the vegetable inside the soup, and I'm gonna stir it properly until they are well combined. And ta-da, our soup is ready. So you can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and share to some people that don't know that you can actually use bell pepper to make a whole pot of soup. So thank you for watching, and keep watching CHIZZY Delish Kitchen. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao.